The annual plan for fiscal year 2014-15 envisaged better energy supplies, visible increase in investment, political stability, and favorable weather conditions. First up, none of these factors could mark a noticeable improvement, which continued to limit economic growth during the year, said the State Bank of Pakistan in its third quarterly report. First up, the report praised the government for the steps taken by it for improvement of economy, but it also pointed towards some critical issues in its detailed report. First up, the report disclosed that services sector performed better than last year during the first 9 months, but it was all owing to government's involvement and not to private sector. First up, the services sector grew in the current fiscal year because it was mainly pushed by higher salaries and pensions of government servants and growth in financial and insurance sector. It was also because of their investment in government papers. Despite lower growth in commodity procuring sectors, agricultural and industry services managed to grow by 5% in the fiscal year 2015, which was higher than 4.4 PC of last year. First up, the impetus came from general government services, reflecting an increase in salaries and pensions of government employees, said the State Bank of Pakistan. First up, another push was a healthy growth in finance and insurance, primarily driven by financial institutions' investment in government securities, said the report. Commercial banks invested rupees 1.2 trillion in government papers in the first 9 months, which was an all-time high. First up, total investment by the end of March 2015 stood at rupees 5.3 trillion. First up, this huge investment by financial services sector in government papers boosted services growth. First up, the performance of private sector in the services category was disappointing. First up, within services, performance of wholesale and retail trade with 18.3 PC share in GDP is closely linked to growth in commodity producing sector. First up, the wholesale and retail trade posted relatively low growth of 3.4 PC in fiscal year 2015 compared with 4 PC in the previous year, said the report. First up, another reason was slow growth in transport, storage, and communications. Details indicate that visible improvement in railways and air transport was eclipsed by negative growth in communications. Full stop.